let me use this opportunity to break down the way this evil leaders is when I poison, so that our people will hear and understand it clearly.
Please.
What was them? If I am saying, make investigation, make your inquiries. There was a man. There is a man that called Madabuchi, Anderson Madabuchi. This Madabuchi, Anderson Madabuchi knows what I'm talking about. He's still alive, but because of the poison that he gave to us, he have lost his house, 2-story building in Owerri. He doesn't play.
Okay.
We know the play, we know the laugh. Because he was the one that hope was on them Masolu, that's Soludo, Pitamba, Mufuru, with DSS, Obrinze, and the Enugu 82 division, with all these tiger bears. They collude together, plan the poison. They call the young man. The young man is living at Kenya. He based in Kenya. The young man based in Kenya. I hold his picture. I hold his video. Everything about him, I am holding it. The young man has a little link to us. He has our link. Oh yeah, just know onye mama lebu ya. Purpose of them man, see na him. Purpose of them man, see him leku oku ashi. Purpose of them man pata swallow. My hope of them man wuge. Me dia ka mukoro wo makpati lie myself. Purpose of them man plan. Somebody put away a leader. Somebody put away a leader. Somebody that calls himself a leader. That is leading Imo State. But I really appreciate you, Kabe chairman of APC now. The Carlos say serve them and come back in shame. I'm not a chairman. What was them plan the thing? Where are the poison? Where through one woman, informant, they are informants in DSS. How would I this man and about Ernest and Madabuchi from Isikuato, Abia State? Would I this young man? Would I wine, Manya? Would I this young man? In which we saw him, we was very happy that now guy. That now somebody I'm off ma. I am making only I'm off ma who's I'm off ma. Can we go quick our people what I off ma? Where Manya wine is what a wine, whatever. Without knowing that now here one the one happens to give to all the commanders. More Butozo, B44, Owam, Butozo, and all the rest of commanders. We are together. About had the meeting. I know the day come. Let's discuss what I get you and what wine at. I am an hope about fighter jets. I buy more tank. I buy you could buy him from where you hold or batara. A balagoria coach woman there. I got my Macalabia price. You have had that plan like continue. Then the young man and the mania. Here, I surprised one. The reason why I had you and the mania. I never lose on one man what they call Munna because I don't know the Munella Tonoton.
Yes.
Okay, with Anya Kupefile no Kawana Domunne. I am was in Casa for the son Ebu. But thank God for Chukwu. Thank God for the ghost of the land. Many people thought that I was joking, I was playing. But I'm making one mother from more. So that's time my father standing in my presence. Where am I going to?
Hey!
That I'm not that. Go back. No, Ruben. No, Ruben, I should go back. I like leave me all alone. I want to head where I am heading to. No, that I have no way here. I have no any accommodation here. I'm like back and okay, I'm like which I came alive today. And I thank God for Biafra. And when I do a true son of the soil.
Yes.
I got my wafa. Yeah, I hope that those when you're the poison. But later on, you guess what happened? They went to Hemesri last. Last, Hemesri Mewana. Hope no less equal a leque, honest Madabuchi Naka. Hajela about with Dibia Moka Yorubaha. Dibia Moka Yorubaha, that many of them is gone. A man and don't ask many of them is gone on them. ndị nwụrụ la tete wee laghachite back anyị ọla nwụọ ọzọ amaka ihe a na-eme anyị ada anwụ ọzọ anyị anwụgo tete anyị anwụchala tete wee laghachite and nke ikpeazụ ndị ahụ gburu anyị bifọ agaghị egbu nkwa anyị ọzọ dibịa ha yeye they have died. Many of them have died. They remain few people. They don't die. You guess what? 500 million naira page release. One night you enter the contract. 500 million. 500 million. They go release. One night you enter. Out of the 500 million. First payment was made 20 million naira. 20 million naira. Ego h0o nyere ya through DSS and Tiger Bay. DSS and Tiger Bay is called 10 million naira. Where 10 million naira where nye ya? Onye beribe. Now that 500 million naira was paid by Onyosha. This organ have bet where Tiger Base commander. That organ harvested where Tiger Base commander. That 500 million was paid in his account. The Tiger Base and the DSS of Nigeria squandered the money. Honest, the Madabuchi and went ahead and inquire 1 naira.
Very good. Very good. Hey, very good.
They will promise you heaven and earth, but at the end you got lost.
Yes.
They will promise you heaven and earth, at the end you got lost. Yes. And I will be the one to expose them, and I will be the one to scatter them, and I am scattering them. Ihe na agwa na awu opo ụzọ dị mma pụta suo elo ihe am na-ekwu okwu ya opo ụzọ dị mma nwunyu anya ụmụ Igbo na afụla the kind of leaders na enwe as ndị una afụgo the kind of leaders full of action ịpụtakwa eziokwu atọ gị ka egbuo mana iprezi ha ihe ọjọọ ha eto oge nye gị ego ya were egbuo onwe gị. My brother, my people, the reason why even my village was throwing allegation on me that time. Because they escalated the news that they brought 500 million because everyone want to partake in that money.
Hey.
Everyone wants to partake in that money. That's why you have to get allegations in Nam Birenugu while in Nam Tiliamu, Namebihenugu, Namebe travel to Enugu for once. They need your help. I'll feed them. Now Okigwa is calm. Everywhere now is calm in Okigwa. Everywhere is calm in Okigwa. And I am so much happy for that. I'm one here with the peace.
Good.
In Okigwa. Not to hope of them. Not the chairman of Okigwa local government. I brought the peace in Okigwa and I made it. And I'm not any atom of war. Any atom of war in Okigwa. Hey, yeah. Go the Alabama loss now. Or Kigwa get that is everywhere gas scatter. In fact, I got money to kill I go the war.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I got money to kill I go the war in Biafra land. I can never be afraid of them. If you fear, you die. If you not fear, you die. Why will you see the way to fight and actualize your freedom and you'll be afraid? Why will you be afraid of that? So Biafrans, we are still standing in the bam.
Yeah.
Standing strong. Man knows of the anya. But the boy gave one way. Man on a local thing happen. I will not kidnap in no way she can be. She can't be just struggle. Man of Clan will follow Biafra. And I want to know Shana making up in the matter label maybe book or like this. But can ask when you talk to us, we will want to tire. Or you talk to us, we will want to tire or 2 far hojo whereby we are to pack it and Kata. Asmunda Lila Bamwa, and the flan, yeah. Ndi Boko Haram, Mutana Asana, 117 terrorists repented, reintegrated in military. Actually, they were uniform. Where I would have Libo. Cherabo Muna and military, where Chica has some visa for us. Everybody had to stop. That was what they was doing to us.
Stand down.
The Roman
stand down.
Hali Legajala went to the middle like a lorry la Polanco.
You say?
I must expose them. They have done a lot to Igbos, and Igbos need to wake up. This is time for revolution.
Yes.
This is time for revolution. Igbos need to stand up. They have done a lot to us. When I was serving the Nigerian army, I escaped from Sambisa Forest.
Wow.
I group of men. I went in Igbo throughout in Igbo. I went Bronya Osato Ano. I went Yoruba few. I made March. The dear Sambisa Forest. Igano Sambisa Forest. At the middle, they have met call. They have set their men, all those terrorists. They have set them up. Eruta at the middle, they will order you. Don't move and don't shoot yet.
Hey.
Don't move, don't shoot yet. A guy man a plan, I look at you being a hammer tanker. A guy man a plan, I look at you being a hammer tanker. And ammunition. A guy not there before you could know it. On your last one where they are one more. The China casting a ham, Erubem, escape. They will be free. And I am using this wonderful opportunity also to appeal to our people now in the military, because that was the same message that they was given to us then. Here, that if you go out of this military, it is the same people that's the same people that will kill you. My brothers and sisters, we cannot kill any one of you. Come back when the space is there for you. Come out when the space is there for you. Come and join your people in flag uniform to fight against your own people. Igbo, if I got any one of my here, only way will you get to mammy, allow you to do. Now, or again, I get like 100 believer. Only way one mammy. Igbos, Lana, Obikubana, La Chief Priest, he can rally in the believer. He will go out Sahara. He will go out Sahara, where one plot of land, they give 50,000. Giro Yoruba, they give 55,000. Gagonia, Imokura Mamiha. You develop their own states. In your own state, you never develop anything, you never done anything in your own state. And you say and you are saying that you are wise. Tell me where your wiseness is. Tell me your wiseness. The chief of Boko Haram, Shetima, the chief priest, Ibagela Gesegriala. Imuna Mamiha. Ikbere ka nwe uja nne ya were enwe onye plan ara ikbere
Arrow.
we are ashamed of our people.
Yes.
We are the shame of our people, they shame us. Those that doesn't understand. Dear friends, and we are winning the war. And we are really appreciating all of you for the effort and every other thing. So because for the rest, my master, the triple general, I greet you all. We don't come down the room. Allah Biafra Allah Nigeria. Allah Biafra belongs to Igbo people. It belongs to Biafrans. All are Igbos, please. And I am still saying, let Igbos come together. Let us fight what is after us. Let us come together. Let us fight what is after us. We don't condemn the room.